Hello everybody, Andreas from Denmark here. I decided to go a little crazy again, and took a chance. I guess I want to focus a little bit on breeding boas from now on. Of course, I'm still into lizards, and that's my absolute favorite. But the boas, we need some more people being focused about boas, and I want to make some pretty mean-looking boas. I got the Motley the other day, and I got a pair of het leopard. And this morning I just went to pick up this pair of albino. The mother is actually a coral sunglow, so they're just amazing looking. I can show them to you real quick. This one is the little male. They're not so big yet. They're babies, just like the leopards I got. So of course it's gonna take a little time to before they are able to breathe. But two amazing looking albinos. They're truly amazing. I really love the tails on them. They're just bright red, as you can see. Just like the one I bought last year and I sold again. This also an albino male, 25% Suriname. But yeah, look at the tails here. I'm trying to focus a little on them. They're just, they're sick. And I really like the albinos also because of the eyes on them. The eyes, I'm trying to focus a little here. As you can see, super red eyes, so it's very close to me right now. So it's pretty hard to focus. Come again. Yeah. That's a nice shot. But two amazing snakes. As I said, this was the little male. I'm gonna put him back in his little top here. Oh. No. And we could just as well take a look at the little female as well. She's also a pretty little one. And exactly the same super bright tail as the other one. It's a little hard to focus on her tail as well. I'm gonna try from this angle a little more light. It was a little better. But two super nice looking boa constrictors, albino females, or male and female. Really smelling a lot right now. It's probably trying to find out where I put her. But I'll put him back right now. I just wanted to show you the new lovely two albinos. Have a good one, YouTube. Bye.